had started working on these, finishing, albeit late, working on these wine glass charms, and then Wesley had a seizure. So it's going to be one of those nights. And then when I say night, it's about 4:10. I tell you, sometimes it's really hard to get through every day because you're never by yourself. And I love my son, I do. I love him a lot, or trust me, I wouldn't do what I do if I didn't love the kid. My kid, he turns 29 in a couple of weeks. But it's really hard. I've given up almost everything for my child. And we still have no answer to his seizures. Can't afford the next surgery. And now, if you've seen my other posts, you know I've been diagnosed with uterine cancer. So, anyway. Oh, crap, another seizure. Okay.